In the intriguing world of rap, scandals are bound to surface. Today we delve into the controversial stories of 7 rappers caught snitching. Make sure to stay with us till the end, as the tales of each of these rappers will leave you shocked. First, let's start by diving into the intriguing case of Gunna, whose release from jail was met with excitement, only to be overshadowed by a controversial plea deal. After Gunna's release, statements emerged assuring fans that he had not turned on his crew or cooperated with the police. However, as the media dug deeper, evidence surfaced that painted a different picture. A leaked video revealing Gunna's encounter with a prosecutor during the hearing. In the leaked video, Gunna refers to YSL, or Young Stoner Life, as a game, a statement that raised eyebrows and fueled speculation. The prosecution then questioned Gunna and his association with Young Thug, mentioning a car incident where hydrocodone, methamphetamines, and a firearm were recovered, none of which belonged to Gunna. But then again, why did he do that? The leaked video shocked Gunna's fan base and the hip-hop community. Fans and fellow artists expressed their disappointment, feeling that Gunna's answers exacerbated an already delicate situation. One such artist, Lil Durk, even took a direct jab at Gunna in a leaked snippet, questioning what happened to loyalty, suggesting that Gunna might tell about their collaboration, what happened to Virgil. As the controversy unfolded, Lil Durk was not alone in his criticism. Other rappers also disapproved of Gunna's decision to take a plea deal, highlighting the complicated dynamics that arise when loyalty and legal matters collide. Or in other words, nobody trusts Gunna anymore. The fallout from Gunna's plea deal reverberated throughout the music industry, forcing fans and observers to grapple with the complexities of the situation. Next, let's look at the story of Boston Richey, a rising star who found himself entangled in a web of snitching accusations. It all began in December of 2013 when a woman reported her Honda stolen. Little did she know that this incident would spark a series of events that would forever change the lives of those involved forever. An undercover cop, determined to crack the case, spotted the stolen vehicle backed into a parking spot. With his eyes fixed on the car, he witnessed a surprising turn of events. Jarius Robinson, a 16-year-old accomplice of Boston Richey, hopped into the stolen car and drove off. As the police kept a vigilant eye on the situation, they soon spotted the stolen car again. But this time it had 3 individuals inside. Hours later, another officer witnessed the trio walking away from a scene of mischief. With their suspicions heightened, the police approached the stolen car and apprehended Boston Richey as he distanced himself from his companions. Richey, now in custody, agreed to cooperate with the authorities, revealing crucial information about the crime. At the police station, further questioning ensued. Richey admitted to driving the stolen vehicle, shedding light on the involvement of 3 other individuals. However, he claimed to know only one of their names, George, a detail that would prove significant in the unfolding drama. The investigation took a chilling turn when the police discovered the keys to the stolen car and a stolen revolver discarded in a nearby garbage can. The evidence piled up, compelling the authorities to charge Richey and his friends with grand theft of a motor vehicle. News of the arrests and charges quickly spread, capturing the attention of the public and social media. Accusations of snitching were leveled against Boston Richey, tarnishing his reputation and creating a storm of controversy. Yup, sucks for Richey. In an attempt to defend himself against the snitching allegations, Richey took to Instagram. He defiantly posted pictures of himself flaunting $250,000, accompanied by a caption expressing his resilience in the face of hate. However, rather than quelling the rumors, the Instagram post seemed to have the opposite effect. Fans began to interpret the display of money as a confirmation of Richey's alleged betrayal. As the story unfolded, rumors swirled that Boston Richey had been removed from an upcoming tour with the prominent rapper Future. Speculations arose that the decision was related to Richey's supposed snitching. But was there any truth to these claims? Seeking to clear the air, Richey addressed the rumors head-on. He took to social media, assuring his fans that he remained firmly committed to his music career. Despite the swirling controversies, he emphasized his focus on creating an exceptional album. Next up on our list is 50 Cent. The allegations against 50 have echoed through the years, stemming from incidents that allegedly exposed the inner workings of his neighborhood. One notable example was his track, Ghetto Quran, where he bared it all. Later, rumors surfaced that he sought an order of protection against Ja Rule and his associates from Murder Inc. Fueling the fire, 50 Cent was embroiled in a beef with various fellow rappers. The clash of egos only intensified the accusations, leading to an unyielding stream of claims that he had turned informant. Don't just take our word for it. Google 50 Cent snitch to witness the frenzy firsthand. But let's get to the heart of the matter. Does the truth support these allegations? If 50 Cent were truly a snitch, wouldn't Fat Joe, Rick Ross, Ja Rule, or any of his past adversaries have presented concrete evidence by now? Until such evidence emerges, all the talk about 50 being a snitch is simply a slander campaign. It's easy for rumors to spiral out of control, especially in the era of social media. With a decades-long career, 50 Cent has had his fair share of controversies and confrontations. But it's important to separate the noise from the truth. Without substantial evidence, we must approach these allegations cautiously and open-mindedly. As we navigate through the labyrinth of speculation, it becomes evident that the snitching accusations against 50 Cent lack the substance required to tarnish his legacy. Number 4. T.I. After Kodak Black was detained for drug and weapon-related offenses in 2019, T.I. was once suspected of tipping off the authorities. Although the accusation was unfounded, Tip later admitted that he had blamed his deceased uncle for a firearms case in the early 2000s. He said that the incident occurred before he became well known. He and his cousin Toot were also busted shoplifting expensive clothing at the time. In December of 2022, a video from Tip's confession reappeared, which prompted many to criticize him online. Though he didn't talk much about the backlash, his son, King Harris, defended him and said, "Y'all could tell me I'm wrong or whatever. Y'all throwing out the wrong word. Look, listen. A snitch, a rat, a mouse is you putting somebody. If you put somebody else in trouble and you get out, somebody has to do time and shit like that for you to be a snitch." Number 5. Snoop Dogg. Like 50 Cent, Snoop Dogg was also accused of the same thing. The Drop It Like It's Hot rapper was charged with tipping off former Death Row Records CEO and co-founder Suge Knight about the murder of Tupac Shakur. Snoop allegedly told police that the recording executive killed the New York City-born rapper on September 13, 1996, according to documents found by a YouTube personality star. The documents also stated that shortly after severing relations with Death Row Records, the What's My Name hitmaker was attacked by a gang of guys from the record company. The Long Beach native allegedly turned informant after receiving police protection. Number 6. 6ix9ine. In the past, 6ix9ine made a deal with the government to testify against two of his old friends. The Brooklyn-based MC was released in 2020 after agreeing to testify during the trial of 9 Trey gang members Anthony Harb Ellison and Al Jeremiah Nuke Mack, who were facing federal racketeering and firearms charges. Also, he had served a 24-month sentence on conspiracy to murder and armed robbery counts. In an interview with Logan Paul, he explained his stand on the situation. He said, "Listen, I did that, and I feel like it's completely justifiable. I thought rap was real. What rapper you know goes down for racketeering? Everything I was rapping about was really happening. These rappers that rap about the shit they rap about, they don't live." Number 7. Alpha Mega. In a heroin case in the 1990s, Alpha Mega, whose true name is Cedric Zellers, is said to have cooperated with the Drug Enforcement Administration as an informant. The Grand Hustle Records performer allegedly gave evidence against Ali Bakar, a heroin trafficker, in court, and he has been titled as a snitch ever since the incident. Also, on another note, Mega was detained in 1995 for trafficking firearms, according to court documents obtained by The Smoking Gun. He was given a 110-month prison sentence that was reduced by 18 months after agreeing to assist the police. Alright you guys, that's all for 7 rappers who were caught snitching. Which among these would you consider the worst snitch? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If this was your first time here, drop a like, share, and subscribe. And for more such content, hit the notification bell and stay tuned.